In this video, we will provide the solution to the question given to us. So we have that integrate sine square x multiplied by cos x dx. So we have the integral of sine squared x multiplied by cos x dx. Now, if you look at the question, this is a trigonometric integral involving the products of the powers of sine and cosine. Now, if you look at the integrand, you can observe that we have cos at this point. So, if we substitute that let u be equal to sine, and if we differentiate sine, we are going to get cos. So, therefore, we can eliminate cos from the integrand to make it more simpler for us to integrate. So therefore we have that let u be equal to sine x. That if we differentiate u with respect to x, we have that du over the x will be equal to cos x. Thus, at this point, we can have that the x will be equal to du divided by cos x. Now we have said that let u be equal to sine x, and also we have that the x is equal to du divided by cos x. Now we can substitute into the integral. So therefore, this becomes the integral of u squared multiplied by cos x, and the x now is du over cos x. Now at this point, cos x will cancel out. So therefore, we are left with the integral of u squared du. Now, we are going to integrate. We have that this now becomes u to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus c, which is the constant of integration because we are working with indefinite integral. So therefore, this will now be simplified as u to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c. But recall that we said let u be equal to sine x. So at the point where we have u, we will impute sine s. So therefore, this becomes sine cube of x divided by 3 plus c. So at this point, we have been able to integrate the question given to us. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us with a like and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.